there is only the spectator and the landscape, which is very artistic, whereas everything is just a simple pan of the eye, you know, just a different lens. Everything has its center, its focal point. As I look at just something as simple as a rug, the vibrant reds sort of circle into a concrescent circle. You know, I feel like that's what life's all about, is dissecting yourself to the point where you don't know who you are so much that you end up finding yourself. That's why I've always loved the idea of the dark night of the soul. Goodbye. I think this is gonna be pretty cool. Stop it!
Wow,
Stop!
that's a lot of weed to be dropping.
No, it's not even that much!
All on the pain pills, no devil, no rap with the same feel. Red dot with the mind.
Kinda strange you know him, cause like, isn't he a junkie? Oh, his cousin? So this guy lit this boat on fire? All the notables and their spying wives. 3 hipsters, 2 virgins, and